Today we are going to create one calculator app, and here I am going to show you how it will look. Just click on the run option, type here number, and then click on plus. Here you can see the answer of plus. In the same way, you can do minus, division, multiply, and the eraser. So without wasting the time, let's start. So first of all, just click here on new project. After clicking on new project, just choose here App Lab. When you will click here on App Lab, you will come here. First of all, I just want to make the design. So for making the design, what we will do first, firstly, we will click on design option. First of all, we will choose the theme. Many colors are here. You can choose the theme as per your choice, as I am taking this Certic. Now, just take the label. How to take? Click, drag and leave. Again, I'm telling you, click, drag and leave. Now, here at this side, you can see text. In place of text, just type here calculator. If you want to increase the size, at the bottom side, you can see font size option. You can increase the size from here. And wherever you want, you can keep it. After this, I just want to take input box. I'm taking my first input box here. My second input box here. And in this text input box, here the placeholder, I will type enter number 1. It will show like a watermark. When you will start typing, it will delete it. So I will just type here enter number 2. Again, I'm telling you it is just a watermark. When you will start typing, it will be deleted automatically. Now I want to show one result box. For taking the result box, I'm dragging the text area. How to drag? Click, drag and leave. Just make it small with the help of this arrow. You can make it small. This is my answer box. So no need to type here anything. If you want, you can type here answer as a watermark if you want. Otherwise, no need to type anything. And you can just increase the font size so that all the numbers can be visible properly. This is just a text area. Remember, this is input box 1, input box 2, and that is the label 1. I have taken 4 things. This is label, this is text area, this is text input, and this is text input. Means first of all, you should take label, then you should take text area, then text input 1 and text input 2. Till here, it's clear?
Yes.
So
Yes,
first of
ma'am.
all, just do till here,
Yes,
make
ma'am.
the design till here. Okay?
Okay.
Now you can start. Now we will take button. First of all, I'm taking here button 1. And in this button 1, I just want to make the plus button. So what I should do in place of ID show you button 1. In place of ID, I will type here add. And the text should be add B because this is the button. And the text, I'm typing here the sign of plus. And also, if you want, you can make your button small. And I just want to increase the font size 35 so it will look big. After that, just click on this button and here at the right hand side, you can see one duplicate option is there. Just duplicate it and then one by one, just keep it here, one here and one here. Now just change the name like this one, button 4, I will mention here minus B and the text should be minus. Now click here, this is the multiply or product. So I'm typing here pro B and mention the text X. This is the X. Here I want to mention here divide. So I just mention here div B and the text size is the slash. Now we will mention here slash. Take the last button and the last button name is eraser. So I'm just mentioning here clear B and
हो गया इसमें भी
and here I'm just typing clear. Okay. I think it's completely clear for you. Now just do till here and complete the design. Okay. Let's start. Now our design is ready. Now let's start the coding. So click here on the code option as you can see on my screen. This is the AI Depend app. So AI will help us for making it. First of all, we will choose the first one. As you can see on event, how to take, click, drag and leave. Click, drag and drop, a simple thing. Now choose here your button name. I have mentioned add B, clear B, division B, minus B, pro B. Firstly, I'm taking add B. What you want to add? I want to add these two numbers. So first of all, just scroll it down and choose set number. In set number, I want to set the text area, the top one. So in place of ID, I will choose text area 1. Here I want to use plus option. For this, go to math and take this plus. Scroll it up. You will get the plus option and keep it here. Now I want whatever the user will type here and here, it will be added. For this, go to UI control and take get number. Get number means whatever the user will type in input box 1. So I will choose here text input 1. Just scroll it down, you will get. In the same way, take one more get number and choose text input 2. Now you can check, go to the run option, enter the number. Number 2. Sorry. Number 1, number 2 plus. It is showing the correct answer.
Yes.
In the same way you can do in all. How? Same on event. Now I'm going to take minus B. First of all, take set number. ID is same, text area 1. Now go to math and now take the minus 1 because this is the minus 1. Again come to UI control and take get number. As we have done before, same coding we will repeat here. And here we just mention here get number 1 यानी कि text input 1. Get number 2 means text input 2. Got it? In the same way you can do the coding with multiply and division. I hope till here it's completely clear for you. Now share screen and let's start. After completing all these things, add button and the minus button, same you will do with the other one like minus and the division. Now I'm going to tell you the clear button, how we can do the coding of clear. For this, we will take on event and this time I'm taking my clear button. So we will choose here clear B. And after taking clear B, we just mention here set number 3 times. First time, then the second time, and then the third time. In each set number, we will choose one by one text area. The other one is the text input 1. And the third one is the text input 2. Now I want that it should be erased. So in place of 0, just open quotation mark and close. Same we will do here. Inverted comma, open and close. Same we will do here, comma, open and close. So in this way, if I will click here on the number 1, if I will click on clear, that will be deleted. Is it clear?
Yes.
Let me run the code. I can show you. Run, enter number 1, enter number 2. I have done 2 coding plus and I haven't typed anything. Plus coding and the minus coding and the clear coding. Now this coding, I think it's completely clear for you. Just do this one also.